Hello everyone. Now this video will teach you how to use the latest unique Western Digital SMR firmware repair solution for the module 190. Now here we can see within the latest software version 263, and we can see the module 190 repair. We usually use the intelligent mode. Here we click OK and we import one patient module 190 to check. And here we can see the load list. Right click on any node, we can see the submenus. We have the auto repair to generate one repaired T2 data file and custom repair, and this one is new to fix 3 different situations of module 190 corruption. Okay, here we can save the repaired nodes to one module 190, and we can select the patient module 190 to save. Scan for missing nodes. In case users find the capacity or the valid data is much less than the real capacity or than the actual data amount. So at this time, we can use the scan for missing nodes and use the automatic repair. Anyway, in this video, we focus on the 3 different situations for the module 190 corruption. So first one, we can see it's called the missing nodes repair. Missing nodes caused by bad sectors or incomplete module reading. Sometimes users are trying to read this module 190 and there are many LBA read errors. That means the module 190 is not read completely. And at this time, we can try to use the first mode to repair module 190. Second is the load overwritten. This one is very common because users happen to format the drive or rebuild the translator or something else which is not completed for the firmware repair. So we can try to use this one for the format, Western Digital SMR drive format failure. And the third one, when the drive are running very slow, like the imaging speed is very low or the modules read write is very slow. And at this time, we can try to use this slow repair to get one new T2 data file, or we can try to save this one T2 data slow to save. Really, and we can also export to module 190. Now we select this one. Okay, select copy 0, not file saved successfully. Now we get one new module 190 and also one T2 data file. And here we can see the repaired valid data is about 824 GB. So this is the latest module 190 repair solutions added to the latest software. And users can download this native software from Dolphin user-only forum. Thank you for watching the video.